front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to tap on Biometrics and Security, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and choose Continue. Now remember to keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. After that, you can enable all disable Stay on Lock Screen Until Swipe feature by clicking on this switcher, and finally click on Done. Now when I click on Home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. I guess that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!